schedule for most of my career.
Tree of instruments? Maybe they know Michelle Branch?
But now, I just love the simple life. At home, with my family. Landscaping, grilling, and football Sunday fun day. That's my happy place. I try to set an example for my kids every day. And I hope being here, I've shown them how to take risks, work hard, and not take yourself too dang seriously.
Makes me think of Drew Carey. He was a llama. Drew Carey.
I worked my little piggy tail off to get here, and I can look myself in the mirror and be proud of that. You know, no matter what happens tonight, I had no regrets.